This thing needs an exhaust really bad. What's going on, y'all? We're back with another video, and today we're taking the SI for a little drive. I didn't get to drive it this morning like I wanted to, which kind of sucks because now it's finally drivable again. If you guys don't remember, we actually raised it up quite a bit actually. I just want to drive it. That's all I want to do. But this morning it was like super foggy outside and I really didn't have any patience to let it warm up or to even try to drive this thing in the thick fog. If you guys are in SoCal, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But we're gonna talk about a few like a build sheet of stuff we need to do for the FA5 to get it prepared for its first track day. I know I said this many times before, but I'm super excited because we haven't taken this thing to the track at all and it's never ever been there. So I'm super excited about that. If you guys have been enjoying the last few videos, I want to say thank you guys so much. Vlogmas is almost over, guys. I think we literally have like a few more days left. I'm a little ahead on these videos, so this will actually be Tuesday's video. So we're a little bit ahead and I couldn't be any more happier. I mean, this month alone just proved that if we're consistent, we can do whatever the heck we want to do. We had a good month. We've made plenty of content this month and I'm super excited on how we did, and I can't wait for 2026 to see what we can do and stuff like that. Like, I'm seriously, if you guys have been here the entire time, or even if you watch one video, two videos, whatever, thank you guys so much. I mean, like I said, just liking these videos and commenting just brings so much joy to me and just wanting to make more and more content. You know what I mean? I told myself that I wanted to prove to myself that I can upload for Vlogmas, and in total we missed about 2 days. Again, just thank you guys so much for being here for me, supporting your boy, and yeah, we can't wait for 2026. This is gonna be the track FA5. Look at that, dude. I can leave my driveway no problem. So starting off with the build sheet, right? First thing I want to do is I need to get a different set of wheels and tires. Currently right now I do have Tesla stock rims on right now, which are not bad. The only thing I dislike about them is the fact that they have the super big lug nut hole, and I'm using aluminum lug nuts, which may not be bad, but if you guys know Brian actually says he doesn't trust them at all, which makes me not want to trust them. So I want to get these kind of off before I hit any track day, any hard driving and stuff like that. I'm not thinking anything too crazy. I actually want something that's gonna be somewhat decent, because I don't want to get like I said in the last video, I don't want to get TE37s and just absolutely just kill those wheels. Like, I'm not a baller like that. We're not balling like that, and I don't want to track on those. If this was going to be a show car, then it'd be completely fine with me, but I just want to get something that's fairly inexpensive, that's not going to break the bank. So I'm thinking either gram lights or maybe even RPF 1s. For tires, I have no idea. If you guys are track guys, let me know what you guys use on your FA5s, because track tires, I have no idea what I'm going to use for them. I was thinking either the Yokohama Apexes, just because I've had them before as a daily driver and I heard those are really good. And I'm also thinking either Falcon RT615Ks, which I've had on the Type R. Those were really good, but those were out super fast. So those are kind of my top choices for wheels and tires as of right now. That may change, but first things first, I definitely do want to change out the wheels and tires on this car. Whether I can get them used, brand new, doesn't really matter with me. Secondly, suspension. The number one thing you're going to want to have when on the track. Now, currently, this car is sitting on max beating rods, which are no bueno. These are the better versions, which are like $500, but still no bueno. I didn't buy these. If you guys know me, I do not buy cheap suspension parts, only because I just don't like to cheap out on suspension. I want to be able to have faith in my suspension. Now, surprisingly, I took it up to the Canyons. Not gonna lie, I was kind of sketched out driving on these, but they didn't do too bad. They do squeak a little bit when I shake the car. Hey yo, kind of seems like I'm twerking. But suspension, so for that, I'm either thinking S3 coilovers or Fortunatos, which I've had on my Type R. S3, I've heard a lot of good things about them. I know there's a lot of agents that are rocking it. That's the reason why I want to go S3. But Fortunatos, from my own experience, I know they're really good coilovers. I've had them on my Type R, and I love that the way that they handled. I was going to go a little bit cheaper and probably get some Tanes again. I also had that on my 8th gen, which did me pretty good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But I've never went on a spirited drive in the canyons with those tains, however you say it. I never went on the drive with those, so I don't know how they'll do up there. But those at least will allow me to save a little bit of money on, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, this is a track build, but I want to keep it kind of like a budget track build. I ain't going crazy like some of these guys do on their track builds. I kind of want to keep it a little bit budgeted. And if you're watching this and you guys are track guys, please let me know your guys' opinions and thoughts and stuff like that, because this whole side of the car scene I don't see, because it is very, very new to me. So I have no experience in it. That's just really it. I have zero experience on the track. So it'd be good to hear from everybody else. I know some people like to gatekeep, which is weird. Somebody also commented or DM'd me saying that brakes are the weakest thing on this car alone. I do have Wheelwood 6-piston brakes, which came from the last owner, thank God. So brakes, not worried about. I have a big brake kit on this car, so I'm good there. I don't even need to think about them. I may get some new pads and rotors a little bit later. I don't even know where they're sitting at right now because I haven't seen them in a minute. But yeah, sitting on a big brake kit right now. Really not worried about that part. Now let's get into the fun stuff, right? Power. Everyone's going to talk about power when it comes to getting times and stuff like that. I want to go to the track with this car completely stock. Reason being is because if you guys remember in the last video, I said I want to go to the track and experience everything that I need to learn. I don't want to overbuild for the track, meaning I don't want to get like a full bolt-ons and I'm just ripping and I don't know how to control the car or stuff like that. I want to build the car as I go. I don't want to overbuild it. I don't want to build everything too fast and then go straight to the track. I feel like I'm not learning the car that way. I want to be able to learn the car and adjust that way. And if I need more power, I'll go for more power. And then, worst comes to worst, if we start doing really good, maybe we'll get another supercharger on this car. I don't know. If you guys remember, we actually had a Crosswork supercharger on the last FA5, which was super duper fun. Honestly, had zero complaints on that supercharger kit. Even though we had a couple problems with it, it still was a really, really good supercharger. I wish I would have took that car to the track because the power was super, super linear and it hit super, super fast. There was almost like no lag when it came to that kind of power on that car. It was actually freaking amazing. See if I'll get some rubbish going up here. Oh, just a little bit on the right side though. That didn't sound like it was the outside at all. Here's the method for y'all, okay? Turn your phone upside down, slant it upward, bang bang. But yeah, going down to the hood, I mean, if you guys don't know already, this car is completely stock. Wow, it's dirty under here. It's completely stock. I don't even have a battery tied down for this thing, which is dangerous, other than motor mounts all the way around. Has motor mounts legit all the way around, which is a plus. So the motor's not gonna go anywhere when I do push that kind of power, but it'll be all right. But yeah, there's literally no headers, no exhaust, no intake mods on this car. Like it is, that guy's learning how to drive. But yeah, the car is completely stock. I mean, I just want to be able to go there, learn the car, experience it. Short shifter, I do want to get as well. But yeah, let me know if I'm missing anything. If you track boys, go out there if I'm missing something. But I feel like I might be in the clear for the stuff that I said. Just basic stuff for now, and then in the future we can get some stuff. But I need to know wheel sizes and tire sizes, please. I want something that's aggressive, but something that'll still fit at the height that I'm at. Even though if I have to change the coilovers, then I might. We'll see. I need some sizes, boys. And if you guys have been following on Instagram, you guys know what I've been talking about. I've been itching for a supercharger on this car, and if you guys know me, I'll do it. But you guys got to keep liking these videos, man. We got to have some fun with them. But obviously that won't be now, that'll be in the future. So we'll keep working, we'll post. Vlogmas is coming to an end soon, so again, I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't have done any of this, so seriously, just thank you guys so much. After Vlogmas, I'll try to post as much as I can. I'm going for 2 to 3 times a week. Hopefully more, but we'll see. I want to go out more. I want to go to meets more. I want to go have some fun, experience it, vlog it. So I'm hoping to push out a lot more content next year. Who knows? Maybe I don't think I'll upload every single day. That'd be kind of a stretch. Though it would be fun. But you guys got to keep liking these videos up, and we got to get our names out there, bro. Gotta get our name out there so we can make more content for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are excited, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!